Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my SAR 21. Here it is. I think it's 21st century Singaporean assault rifle, something like that. Here it is. And please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. Yeah. So first, you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to make a 8x8 grid. Okay, so you want to fold it in half, like so. Then you want to unfold that, then fold the other side in half, like so. And then you want to bring all the edges to the center line right here 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so, okay? So you want to do that for the rest of the sides, okay? Okay, finally, like so. And now you want to fold this up like a fan. So fold this up like that and follow the crease line and fold it all the way down like so. Okay. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now you're going to make a fan going this direction now. Okay, so you see this crease line, the first crease line? You want to fold up that crease line right up to the corners right there. Then you see you see that next crease line right here? So you want to fold that crease line and fold down the corners. And now you see the next crease line right here. You want to fold that down and fold the corners down. And finally, you see those 2 squares? Those are 2 corners. So you can just fold them down like that. Okay? And now you're going to do the same thing on this side. So you see this crease line right here? You want to fold that crease line up, that, and right up to those corners. Okay? And now you want to fold that next crease line down up to the ends like that. And finally fold that next crease line like so, and then fold the corners in. And finally you see those 2 squares? Those are 2 corners. You just fold them down like that. Okay? And then if you have this, and make sure the edge is facing up. So the longer side should be on top and the shorter side should be on the bottom. Okay? And now you want to fold it in half. So fold the whole thing in half. So this is going to be the front of the gun and this is going to be the back of the gun. Okay, and now you want to take You want to take the bottom flap and fold it all the way down to the end. And if you look in the bottom, you see that triangle. You want to fold in that triangle inside. So open up this pocket, and there should already be a crease line right here. You want to fold that inside like that. Okay. So fold this in a slight slant, because this is gonna be the pistol grip. Okay, and you see where that top crease line is? You want to fold this whole thing right up to there. Okay, like that. Now you want to fold this two edge right here down to that center line. Okay, like that. And at the end you can just leave it up to that corner. Okay, and now you want to fold this whole thing up like so, and you want to just fold in the center corner like that. Okay, and now you want to fold in. This is going to be a little thick, but you want to hide that corner back. Okay, so if you can fold this back, but it's a little thick, so yeah. Okay, now you see where that crease line is, that first crease line. You want to zigzag fold right there. So fold this right where that crease line is, and then fold it third way. Okay, so it should be in the middle right there. So this piece should equal the same length as the front piece right here, up to that crease line. Okay, so this should be folded in thirds. You want to flip it to the back side, and you see this that piece here. You want to fold this whole piece down. Okay, like that. So it should look like this. Now flip it to the front, and you see that bottom edge, fold it right up to that center crease line. Okay, like that. Now turn to the back side, and you see where that bottom of that crease line is. I'm going to fold this whole thing down where that is. Okay, then fold this tip forward like that. So this is going to be the barrel. Fold that triangle up. So, and fold this whole thing in half. And flip it to the front. And now you see that top edge, you want to fold that down. Okay, so that's the handguard and the barrel. And now you want to fold the top flap all the way up, just like that. So make sure the center crease line is facing forward, like so. And fold this whole thing back, like so, around there. Maybe leave a little bit of space right there. Then fold it forward, like so. Maybe a little bit of more space. And you see the square right here? You want to fold that in half. So fold this down like that, and that triangle, fold it forward. Okay? Then you want to fold down that triangle and kind of fold that triangle kind of in half. Then you want to make sure it lines up with that corner. Okay? And kind of stick it in there. Let it rest on the sides. And now you want to round out the scope. So bring the edge towards the center. Like so. Okay. And now you see that square right here and that triangle. You want to fold this whole thing in half and bring it up to this crease line right here. Okay. Then fold this forward all the way up to that scope right there, and fold this whole thing down. And now you see that triangle on the bottom, you want to fold that right inside. So open up this pocket and fold in that triangle right there. Then you see that crease line, you want to zigzag fold right there to make the magazine, of course. So fold this up, then zigzag fold it back down. Okay. Now if you look in the back side, see this corner right here? You want to fold down that corner to make the stock. Okay. And here it is. This is my SAR 21. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.